Game arrested.
First of all, thank you. Thank you so much for the overwhelming response that I got on my first vlog. I was genuinely not expecting such a great response. We're almost to 9K views, and you guys gave me so much love, and uh, I really appreciate it. And second of all, I'm sorry that I did not post for a very long time because I mean मैं अभी से सफल रही हूँ. There was a lot going on in my life because I was new here और सब चीज़ें बहुत जल्दी जल्दी हो रही थी and it was so overwhelming क्योंकि I am living on my own for the first time और मुझे खुद समझ नहीं रहा था. So it took me a time to just calm down. एक जगह पर बैठने के लिए भी time नहीं मिलता था. Now that I'm used to it, I'm back for you guys. Also, I got a new nose piercing today. If you can see, I guess you can. It's cute. आता वाटते की नाही मी मराठी मुलगी. Let's get back to business. A lot of you guys asked me a lot of questions in my first vlog, so I guess I mean वो मेरा first vlog था, so I was not able to like give you a lot of information in it because I had just moved to London and सब मेरे लिए बहुत नया था. I'm here to help you guys, like I'm your bro. I'm your I'll start with immigration. As I said in my first vlog, my immigration was extremely quick. मुझे बहुत डराया गया था कि यूके में while entering like immigration is very slow. बहुत 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 बड़ी लाइन रहती है and I mean they were not lying, like उस टाइम पे था 4 घंटे का लाइन रहता था, but during in my case it was I don't even think it was like I think it was 15 minutes. 15 minutes के अंदर अंदर मुझे पूछा था कि my reason to be there, what course I was doing, and just my passport. That's it. Visa. So yeah, immigration was quick. Let's start with why I am here in London. Basically, I'm here for masters in filmmaking, and I'm doing it from Kingston University in Kingston upon Thames, and it's a great university. I love my college, and all of my teachers are great. They are so helpful. They are so friendly, and I was just scared that I would not get along with them, but I mean they're very nice. They're very helpful. I just gelled into the course very easily, and so I have worked in the film industry for a very short time, but मेरे पास इतना knowledge नहीं था because I have only worked in one department. So I wanted to learn more about direction and cinematography, editing, post production, sound. So इधर कैसा है, they actually teach you everything very practically. It is not like तुम बैठो एग्जाम में लिखते बैठो 2 घंटे का एग्जाम कॉपी करते ये वो नहीं. You go out, you make documentaries, you make mini documentaries, you make short films, and you learn from it. I wanted to do that. Okay, एक second. What was the next question? Yeah. So after immigration, let's go to quarantine. Let's get to quarantine.
Quarantine.
मैं फेक नहीं कर रही हूँ एक्सेंट गाइस, वो अपने आप आ जाता है. वो ये अभी लोगों के साथ रह के मेरा भी हो गया वो. Yes, I had to go through quarantine क्योंकि मेरे टाइम पे lateral test वगैरह नहीं था. I had to book my quarantine kit in advance before traveling to UK. I had to quarantine for 10 days and I had to take 2 tests, one on day 2 and the other test on day 8. I know that now you don't have to quarantine. You have to take a lateral test, which is much easier and cheaper than the one that I had to बाय. आई मीन एनीवन हु इज ट्रैवलिंग नाउ, बहुत ईजी हो गया तुम लोग के लिए चीज़ें. यू आर वेरी लकी. बट आई थिंक फ्लाइट टिकट्स आर नाउ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव अनफॉर्चुनेटली. थोड़ा सा बातें करते हैं गाइज. बहुत टाइम हो गया अपने साथ बातें करके. मैं वाई डू आई साउंड लाइक मिथ पैट.
चुप.
अभी मेरे साथ क्या नया हो रहा है. Let's see. आपको पता है यहाँ पे मतलब लोग है बहुत फ्रेंडली है पर वो सामने से बात करने नहीं आते हैं. जैसे अपने में रहता है ना, क्या बोलता है भाई वो, नॉट हियर. they're a bit more into themselves, so you need to go out there and talk to them to actually make friends. Second life update is my boyfriend Rishi is in UK. He had a this is the next day. I forgot to vlog the outro. But yeah, that was it. I hope you guys liked the video. I know मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बात किया है, but I actually wanted to answer all of your questions. I've still not answered questions about cost of living and how I rented my house, but I will talk about it in my next vlog or maybe next vlog, because I have some content planned for you guys for my next vlog. So stay tuned. इतना टाइम नहीं लूँगी मैं, एक महीना नहीं लूँगी अभी पोस्ट करने के लिए. I will post it soon. So stay tuned. And also if you guys have any other questions for me, don't hesitate to comment down below, because I will try and answer it in my next vlog for sure. Yeah. Till then, take care. Have a good day. Shabba khair. लवकरच भेटूया. Bye.
It's not a